In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage a successful ad campaign on TikTok Shop. First things first, you'll want to ensure you're using the Google Chrome browser for optimal performance. Open Chrome and visit the website ads.tiktokglobalshop.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your TikTok Shop account credentials. It's pretty straightforward. Just enter your details and you're all set to embark on your advertising journey. Now let's delve into creating a campaign. You'll start by clicking on the Create option. When prompted, choose the Conversions objective, as this is typically most effective for driving sales. Here, give your campaign a distinct name that's easy to remember and relevant to your products, such as shop product sales. If you're keen on optimizing your budget across various ad groups, you might want to consider turning on campaign budget optimization. However, this step is optional and should be based on your specific advertising needs and budget. Moving forward, you'll need to set up an ad group, which involves defining who and how you want to target your potential customers. For the promotion type, make sure you select TikTok Shop products, as this ensures you're promoting items directly from your shop. Next, you'll select the specific product you want to advertise. When it comes to audience targeting, it's often beneficial to start broad. The TikTok algorithm excels at finding the right people, so broad targeting should serve you well initially. As for placement, it's advisable to keep it on automatic to let TikTok decide where your ad will perform best. Regarding the budget, a prudent approach when you're just starting out is to begin small, perhaps between $10 to $20 per day, to keep a tight rein on expenses. For scheduling, you have the choice to run your ad continuously, or if you're in testing mode, consider running it for an initial period of 3 to 5 days to gauge performance. Once your ad group is good to go, it's time to create the actual ad. TikTok ads tend to perform well when they're short and engaging, so aim for a vertical video that's between 9 to 15 seconds long. Incorporate trending music and make sure your product is clearly showcased. This is pivotal. Additionally, include a strong call to action, something compelling like "Buy now on TikTok Shop" to motivate immediate engagement from your audience. After deploying your ad, optimization and scaling come into play. After approximately 3 days, it's crucial to evaluate your ad's performance. Look closely at metrics like click-through rate, cost per click, and return on ad spend. If certain ads aren't meeting your expectations, don't hesitate to pause them. For the ads that are performing well, consider scaling up by increasing the budget or even duplicating the ad group to maximize reach and effectiveness. And there you have it, your guide to setting up TikTok Shop ad campaigns that drive results. Follow these steps to effectively promote your products and watch your sales soar.